Wow, do you want to shave like Daddy?
I want to be just as sharp as you, Papa. Give me some of that white fluff.
All right, here you go.
I'm just like you, Daddy.
Let's get all cleaned up. A true gentleman is always tidy. You're looking better already, little one.
Let's put this away. Up we go!
Whee! I'm the tallest cat in the world now.
Halt! This train shall go no further. The tracks are mine.
Such a big boy. Look at that big train. You did it. Oh, you are so hungry today. Don't worry, I have plenty of treats for everyone. Are you ready for some more? Here it comes, my little darlings. Oh. What in the world happened here? My living room. It looks like a feather storm hit.
I leave you for 5 minutes and the sofa explodes? Explain yourself, little soldier.
I was testing the structural integrity of the cushions, White Papa. They failed the test.
Well, a gentleman also takes responsibility.
Grab a broom, son. We have work to do.
Can we treat it like a new mission? Operation Dust Bunny? There we go. Good as new. I think we've earned a nap.
Only if we can have one more treat first, Papa.